4 people arrested for booing Grace Mugabe. 4 people have been arrested in Zimbabwe for booing at First Lady Grace Mugabe during a rally in the country's capital Bulawayo. According to reports, the 4 suspects, 3 men and a woman, were also part of the group who disrupted the president aspirant's speech last week. "We hate what you are doing," they were quoted singing while making hand gestures and booing at the First Lady. Zimbabwe state-run The Herald says the suspects have since been charged with undermining President Robert Mugabe's authority. There have been so much political tension in Zimbabwe since Mugabe fired his vice Emmerson Mnangagwa this week on few allegations including lack of discipline to be a leader. Currently, Mnangagwa is on the run amid fears that Mugabe is plotting to deal with him and his family.